Hi guys, what's up? I thought I'd just post some analysis on the Bitcoin for this week. How we're forming. We're obviously in a very illiquid market structure, right? So it's very terrible price action. So this entire range has been very poor, right? It's grinded up. It's If you look at it, a lot of rejection, and then there's no follow through, and then it goes up, and then after even the long ones it doesn't go through, and it's kind of all over the place at the moment. So I was looking at it, and then if you want to look at how it was in last time in August, you want to see in 2022 was something similar, right? So with that out of the way, you want to see, right? So how it was in June, July. So mark it out. Right there, June started, and then we crashed, and then July, and then right about there August, and all till here. This is how it was. So right now, if you look at it, we've had some somewhat similar, right? So May ended, and then we had crash in June. Sorry guys, we crashed in June, and then right about here, June was completely bearish, and then in July we had pullbacks. It was ranging up a little bit. The monthly candle in July was bullish, so it was a green candle there. And back to the daily, and then we've gotten off to somewhat of a bullish August. It may seem like it, but if you compare to the price action back here, just how it's been so similar. The fractal has been so similar, so it's kind of same. You know how was grinding up for the first half of the August month. So if you look at this particular area, was grinding up, slow grinding, rejection, grind, rejection, grind, rejection. Took the liquidity on the highs up there of July, and then we went through. We went all the way back to the range lows of 18k at that time. 18k range lows right there. It swing failed the highs, and then it went all the way down, and we closed if you mark out the monthly open for August right there, right? So this is the monthly open. So we had some trading up there. It took the high out. It took the liquidity present up there. You can check out the we're just gonna add the volume again, and then this was the one. So it's not that we had some fall through. I guess there's not a lot of volume, dead period in the market, I guess. So it's not useful there. But about that, yeah, took liquidity and then went down. So we're right now about the same thing. June, July has happened. Bearish June. June was bearish. July we had some sort of a pullback. And then there's the high. There's the high for July. There's the high for June. Right there. They're too close to each other. I don't imagine we had something similar back there. Let's see. Right there. June was obviously up high, so we started the month with the crash. So June high was pretty much up there, but there was no swings here also, so that might be different. But July was same pattern, right? We've had some relief and then it went down. We had some relief and then went down again. It closed off here, so we had something similar here also. Some relief in the initial days, and then it slowly grinded back up, and then we had some kind of a pull back here. But right there's the June high, right, by the way. So we're obviously not getting that, but I do believe that one of these highs is gonna go. I think the market's gonna come in, do its thing, swing fail, and then back into the 60k area. I think this is gonna happen. This is the most likely scenario in Bitcoin, so you're gonna want to trade that accordingly. Right about till mid-August, I think it was right about till here. Let's look at it back there. right about till mid-August, 15th August, till we grinded slowly up there. It's also same. It's just too same. Kind of grinded up there, and then it just tanked after that. So we're doing the same thing here. We're grinding up, low liquidity. We're gonna have some liquidity taken up here, and then I think it's just gonna get straight back to 59k. So you might want to play that out carefully. All right, guys, that's it from me.